Mansory showed its first tuning kit for the Ineos Grenadier, with a power boost. The carbon fiber body kit is combined with new wheels and a lifted suspension. The interior has also been upgraded with leather, carbon fiber, and a refrigerator. After customizing countless Mercedes G-Class and Land Rover Defender builds, Mansory has now turned its attention to the Ineos Grenadier, giving it a makeover that screams flashy. The off-roader now sports a body kit, a reupholstered cabin, and various chassis and performance upgrades. Starting with the exterior, Mansory's Grenadier comes draped in carbon fiber accents that might make even a G63 AMG blush. At the front, you'll find a splitter paired with a grille and hood bulge flaunting the Mansory emblem. The wide fender extensions and rear bumper also get the carbon fiber treatment, complete with integrated vents. The visual upgrades continue with aerodynamic roof add-ons and an array of extra LEDs, sharply contrasting with the Grenadier wagon's white exterior. Another standout feature is the new 20-inch FV.9 alloy wheels, wrapped in 305/50 R20XL tires for enhanced grip. While most Mansory-tuned vehicles sit closer to the ground compared to their stock equivalents, the Ineos Grenadier benefits from a 20mm (0.8 inches) lift kit. The company says it made extensive changes in the suspension area, with the goal of improving the model's off-road capability. The BMW-sourced 3.0-liter six-cylinder powertrain has been boosted to 345 horsepower, 257 kilowatts/350 PS, and 560 Nm, 413 lb-ft of torque, representing an increase of 63 horsepower, 47 kilowatts/64 PS, and 110 Nm, 81 lb-ft, compared to the original. This was made possible thanks to the tweaked ECU software and a new stainless steel exhaust with flap control. Moving inside, Mansory covered the entire cabin with maroon leather upholstery, combined with an Arctic white roof. The electric seats are ventilated, while rear passengers sit more comfortably thanks to a modified backrest angle. Between the rear seats there is a new center console with a refrigerator and a wireless charging pad. The tuner added plenty of carbon fiber on the center console, overhead panel, steering wheel, sports pedals, door sills, and door cards. Finally, the start/stop switch has been relocated on the roofliner, sending McLaren Senna vibes. Mansory presented their first Ineos Grenadier in Qatar and will gladly take orders for similar tuning kits. Ineos also recently started offering bespoke builds based on the Grenadier, showing that customers are interested in spicing up their off-roaders.